Hello guys, welcome back. This is Mr. and Mrs. Tesla, and today we received another really cool product for our Tesla. This is a rear entertainment display for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y from Test Studio. And honestly, this is one of those upgrades that immediately makes the car feel more modern and more premium. Right now, we're going to start the installation, and while we're installing it, we wanted to talk a little bit about this product and share our thoughts. One of the things we love about Tesla is how futuristic these cars already are. But if you've ever been a passenger in the back seat, you know there isn't much for rear passengers to interact with. That's exactly why we think this display is such a great addition. It gives rear passengers their own touchscreen right in the center console. And what we really like is how factory it looks. Once it's installed, it doesn't look like an aftermarket accessory. It looks like it belongs there. Honestly, it feels like something Tesla should have included from the factory. One of the coolest things about this display is that it's not just a screen that sits there looking nice. It actually adds a lot of functionality for rear passengers. The display gives passengers access to entertainment, media controls, climate controls, and additional vehicle settings right from the back seat. That means rear passengers can adjust certain comfort settings without constantly asking the driver, and that's something we really like because it makes the rear passengers feel like they're part of the Tesla experience too. The screen itself is large, clear, and easy to see from either side of the rear seats. Even in daylight, everything looks bright and sharp. The touch response is very smooth, which makes it feel much more like a factory-installed display rather than an aftermarket accessory. Another thing that's really impressive is how modern the interface looks. Everything feels clean and organized, matching the design language of Tesla. It doesn't feel out of place at all. If you've ever been in luxury vehicles that have rear passenger displays, this gives a very similar feeling. It makes the entire cabin feel more high-end, and for families, this can be especially useful. Whether you're taking a short trip across town or going on a long road trip, having a screen available for rear passengers can make the drive much more enjoyable. Kids stay entertained, passengers have something to interact with, and the overall experience feels more premium. We also like that this upgrade focuses on the people sitting in the back. Most Tesla accessories are designed for the driver, but this is one of those upgrades that improves the experience for everyone in the car. And honestly, that's something you notice right away. When someone gets into the back seat and sees this screen for the first time, their reaction is usually the same. Wow, your Tesla came with that? And that's probably one of the best compliments an accessory can get, because it means it looks like it belongs there from the factory. Another thing we appreciate is how clean the installation looks. There aren't random wires hanging around or anything that makes the interior look messy. Everything integrates nicely with the car, and that's one of the reasons we like products from Test Studio. They focus on upgrades that look like they were designed specifically for Tesla, and honestly, that's what we always look for when choosing accessories. We don't want products that make the car feel cluttered. We want upgrades that improve the experience while maintaining Tesla's clean and minimalistic design. This display does exactly that. It adds functionality, it adds convenience, and it adds a premium touch to the rear seating area. If you're someone who regularly drives with passengers in the back seat, this is definitely an upgrade worth considering. We also got this display from Test Studio. They have a lot of really interesting Tesla accessories and upgrades, so if you're looking for ways to personalize your Model 3 or Model Y, definitely check them out. Overall, we're really impressed with this display. It looks great, feels premium, and adds functionality that rear passengers will actually use. If you're interested in checking it out, we'll leave the link in the description below, and don't forget to use our discount code MISSTESLA to save money on your order. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.